Everyone's favorite coconut collection is back, and it's better than ever. Introducing our limited edition Coconut Fantasy collection, which includes everyone's favorite Omega bronzer in Tan-Tastic. Legendary makeup artist Diane Kendall created a stunning look for the campaign, and now I'm gonna show you how to recreate it. This is the perfect summer look. It has warm, sultry shades, and of course, glowing skin. To begin, first prep the skin using Undercover Coconut Perfecting Face Primer. Then apply Shameless Youthful 24-Hour Foundation, great for medium coverage and skincare benefits. For her eyes, I use the limited edition Eye-Conic eyeshadow palette in Fantascene. First, I press and blend Meet Ya on the center of the eyelid and blend it up towards the brow. Then, sweep on the dance floor through the crease of the eye. Next, use She Said to highlight the brow bone. Using the matte highliner in Earthquake, start at the outer corner of the eye and work your way in to define the eye. Then wrap it along the lower lash line to add more depth. And I love finishing the eyes with Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. To warm up the complexion, use Omega bronzer in Tan-Tastic. I like using the bronze brush because the large, soft synthetic bristles allow you to blend seamlessly. Add a warm, dewy glow using the limited edition Dewdrops in Fantasy. The original Dewdrops in Dew You is that perfect peachy champagne, where the new limited edition Fantasy is rose gold. Then I finish her look with the new enamored hydrating lip gloss stick. Keep an eye out for it. This look is a total fantasy. Radiant, glowing skin, and sultry eyes.